Good afternoon, YouTube. It's your beautiful girl, Anela Marie, Nayla, Nala, whatever you want to call me. It doesn't matter at this point. Today, I don't know if y'all just heard that, but I just hit my hands on the freaking chair. Okay. Today, we're doing a eyebrow tutorial. My eyebrows are looking crusty. My hair is too, but you know, y'all gonna get a video on that. Today, I'm going to be using my spoolie, okay? I don't know if y'all can see that. My spoolie and angled brush. This is why I used to put it on my, what is it called? Well, yeah, it's my Ruby Kisses. It's a brow, yeah, it's a brow pencil. I mean, well, not pencil, brow thing. Yeah, you know what I mean. It's one of those things they use to put their brows on with dipping powder, and my spoolie. And then I got some concealer. It's golden. It's not even golden. It's caramel T700. I don't think y'all can see it, but it's T700 by CoverGirl. To be honest, I stole this from my mom, my Anastasia brow. See, this is a dip brow pomade, chocolate. To be honest, I got this from my sister Ariana. I mean, at this point, hand-me-downs, okay? It's free, so anything free is the best, to be honest. So don't hate, appreciate, sis. Be grateful. Be grateful. And I also have my angled brush. Stole this from my mom too. Of course, I cleaned it before I used it, but stole this from my mom too. It's an angled brush for concealer. So, you know, just to line these bad boys up, because you know, can't be out here looking crusty and dusty. You know what I'm saying? So I have an extra eyebrow pencil that I just had because I used it when I was in college. You know, if you're like, why did she say was? Yeah, go watch my video on why I dropped out of college. I'm using my camera as my mirror because I don't have a regular mirror, so improvise, boo. So I'm gonna go ahead and spoolie my hair up. I usually do start with the bottom. That's what the videos used to tell me, and that's what method I use now. So go ahead and start with the bottom, and then I spoolie it all up. Then I take my dipping brow. As you see, it's like really used, but you know, it's okay. Go ahead and dip that in there, kind of like a dip. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the bottom. Yeah, I can't see. Schoolie died. Okay, so right now my brow dipping powder is acting a fool right now, so I'm just gonna use my pencil. Man, I got this from the beauty supply store. This is a dark brown, so it can be dark for me sometimes, but not really. That's why I have the concealer for, so to balance it out. Go ahead and start at the bottom of the brow, more towards the end. Towards the end, so you can give it more like a defined type of vibe, you know what I'm saying? So then I spoolie it up just to make sure the brows stay in place. And I can't see, so we're gonna go ahead, start from the bottom. And it's okay to make mistakes because that's what the concealer is for. Once again, you want to follow the arch everywhere. You see how it looks stupid right now? That's okay, because I'm gonna fix it. Yeah. Then I go ahead and I still like smooth it so that it's going up, so I can get like a, I don't know how to explain it, but it kind of gives me like the full effect, so that I won't, because if I brush it down, it's just, I'm gonna end up drawing like around here, you know? Like, look, let me show you. You see how I see that line is like all the hair is down? I'm be all the way down here, you know? So I just keep it brushed up. So yeah, I just make a nice little follow my brow, okay? And to be honest, it's a lot easier when you have a regular mirror. But I just go ahead and kind of like draw in the little gaps I see. Yeah, it still look messy, but we gotta get that's what the concealer's for, baby. Okay, and you know, if you like it thick on, you like it thick on. If you like it lighter, you like it lighter. So you don't have to be so, you know, I have my days where I go super like Ooh. Or I go like, you know, lightly. But my eyebrows sometimes switch up on me, so sometimes this one like will be thicker than this one. You know, so you can see the difference already, see? So I'm just gonna give it a little slight fill. Don't put too much because in the front, you don't want it to be too blocky. There you go. I'm gonna go ahead and do this one and show you how I do my concealer. I got this one done. See, usually this one look really good, but this one look like, but I need to do concealer like kind of up here so that the fronts would be like kind of the same size and the ends. But I'm gonna do it all on the whole brow, so I'm gonna show you. So I'll take the concealer. So you see how I got around the brow? I'll make sure I do the lining like kind of like it's like a cleanup, you know? That's why concealer can help. You don't have to have concealer, but I use concealer because it helps a lot, you know? So, but yeah, you see how I'm just lining to make it even right here. It's okay if you make mistakes because it don't always mean you're gonna look crazy. You know, mistakes sometimes could be good mistakes, you know, so. These are not my best eyebrows, but they still sexy, okay? Now you guys see me when I like, just blend, people. Just get it. And it works even better when you like have a full face of makeup, you know? So I don't really wear makeup like that, but eyebrows be sexy. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at ELLOPEP23. Get it right, baby. Yeah, just let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. These are not my best eyebrows, but they're still cute. They're like, if you not all of my eyebrows like this, you ain't gonna tell. But you know, as long as you don't have like heavy concealer and you're like, you can for real tell, you know. But you can still tell. But yeah, I'm gonna fix it up. Yeah. So, deuces.